Hey everybody, it's Dianna Prince here, and I'm at home and I decided to do a product review of one of my favorite Atomic Jane dresses. So I love this dress for many reasons. One of the reasons is I really love the small little 1940s belt. The style reminds me of 1940s, and I do love the flare skirt with the Swan's print. I love the swans and the lake that they're in with the all black. It really, really stands out, but it doesn't take away from the top. I love the cut of the top and how it's 3/4 length. I really do, because I love covering this part of my arms. And just the whole entire dress is absolutely beautiful. It almost looks like it's a top with a skirt. So I'm wearing my most favorite shoes out of all the shoes that I own right here today. I'm wearing them with this, and like I said, I absolutely love this dress. So I have on an older necklace. I wouldn't call it vintage, but it definitely has an old look to it. I'd say it's probably from the 90s, early 2000s, so it's getting old. I have my French twist hair going on here. So I have this scarf, and it's a modern scarf. It's a Marilyn Monroe print scarf. And what I wanted to show you today very quickly, aside from this lovely dress from atomicjane.com, is how I can change the scarf and make it. So obviously I would be taking off this necklace if I'm going to be wearing a scarf. But the first look that I would easily do, and I don't have a mirror in front of me, is you know, if you're going somewhere, you don't want to mess up your hair, you're going to be in a convertible, and or you're going somewhere and you just want a quick little look. So again, I don't have a mirror in front of me, but I want to just show you, obviously. You just leave it loose. It's kind of got that Mary Poppins feel, I think. And so you can take that out, and then without the necklace, I would suggest you can go right in the middle, and you can leave a single knot, or you can do a double knot, and then you can take this and keep it directly in the middle, or you can turn it to either side. I fancy my right side more than anything. Of course, like I said, without the necklace, and this would be there. Or you can take it exactly how you have it, starting from the back, equal sides here, and go here, there. That'll be pretty snug, and I'm probably snagging some of my hair here in the process. So try to get my hair back up in that flip. And then you would tie it directly in the middle or to either side. It's pretty tight on me. Or to either side. Crump the hair. Smile, pose, vintage Vogue. So again, there's so many things that I could do with this. My most favorite features of this dress is definitely the belt, because I just love the little tiny belt. It's so 40s, like I said. And then I love the all black. I love the fact that it flares, because I really like dresses that form fit me here and then flare out, or skirts. And you gotta love the swans. If you guys can see the details, you gotta love the swans. The details are beautiful. So I want to thank Atomic Jane for sending me these, and I want to thank everybody for watching.